Hi there and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to clean and organise your house after the party season. My first tip is to have my blankets washed and laundered. All winter we've had guests in and out the house and we have all been snuggling up on the sofa, but now it's time to have them cleaned and restored for next winter. It's cold and flu season here, so I've been doing as much as I can to make sure I keep the bugs at bay. These Milton sterilising tablets come in handy for everything. The first thing I'm going to do with these is just dilute them in water and give my leather sofas a good rub down. Now I just have to light this one more time before putting it away for next year. The Milton cloth, I'm going to go around the house and I'm going to wipe over all light switches, to wipe over all door handles, and I'm also going to wipe over all other utilities like remote controls, handheld telephones and my laptop. If you're big entertainers in your household, then you're going to want to know an easy solution to storing all your party wear. As an event stylist, I was so sick of clutter being in all different boxes and not being able to find anything. Therefore, I invested in some extra storage. I bought these 4-tier drawer containers. In the top drawer I keep all my party wear. In another drawer I'll have some Easter decorations and Halloween decorations and so on. This makes all my event equipment really accessible. I can store it easily now and I know where everything is. I got 2 sets of storage containers for £25 at Home Bargains. I was looking for a quick solution to store all my dining ware, and now we're feeling a bit more organised, it's time to put the Christmas stuff away. I love these silver dishes, but they're not used all year round. And of course it's also time to put my lovely Christmas napkins away and start thinking about how I want to set the table for January 2018. I'm storing all my favourite bits in this little straw basket, and I've also organised my dresser in my dining room so that I can have all my placemats ready to go when we've got guests around. Please do remember to subscribe if you like my channel. There's always lots of entertaining tips and I post videos twice a week.